Happy holidays once again from everyone at the station. 86 days to go before Christmas. It's gotta be quick. Mabilis na lang yan. Alright. Oh, balik na tayo sa ano. For those who are celebrating their birthdays today, eto na, the famous birthday segment, ang kasunod natin, September 30, birthday celebrants, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Si ano yan? Si Mr. Singh. First name Singh. Apelido Geltut. Singletooth. Happy birthday to Maddie Ziegler. Sumikat to si Maddie Ziegler when she danced. When she danced for Sia. Alright? You remember the song Chandelier? Di ba may sumasayaw na parang ballet ang style na pop? Yun, siya yun, si Maddie Ziegler. Right. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. Chandelier. Sabi ng nanay ko, chandelier. Yeah. So, she also gained national attention as a top performer on the Lifetime reality series Dance Moms. Okay? So, Maddie Ziegler turns 23 today. Happy birthday, September 30, 2002. Rapper, singer, artist, recording artist T-Pain, R&B singer T-Pain. Scotty T-Pain. T-Pain turns 41 today. He is the Grammy Award-winning singer distinctive for his use of auto-tune. Yeah, okay. So, he was born September 30, 1984. T-Pain. Happy birthday also to Monica Bellucci. Alam mo si Monica Bellucci? She turned 61 today pero napakaganda pa rin, no? Hindi nagbabago ang kagandahan. She's the exotic Italian actress who was featured in The Matrix Reloaded. Yun, kung naalala niyo yung magandang babae. Ganda babae. Sa Matrix Reloaded siya yun, si Monica Bellucci. And The Matrix Revolutions kasama pa rin siya, okay? After working as a model, she appeared on Bram Stoker's Dracula and The Apartment. Yan, nandun siya sa Bram Stoker's Dracula. Hindi yung leading lady doon. Yung leading lady doon si Winona Ryder. Okay? Next up, we have Kieran Culkin, who is the brother of Macaulay Culkin. Alright? And he had his role din sa Home Alone. Nandun din siya kung di nyo napansin. Siya si Fuller McAllister. Alright? Brother ni Kevin McAllister. Ayan, so real-life brothers played the role of brothers in Home Alone, in case you don't know, huh? In case you don't know. He was born September 30, 1982. And he won the Oscars for Best Supporting Actor in the 2024 film A Real Pain. Alright, in case you don't know. So there you go. And next up we have Nathan Arenas. Disney actor who landed his professional acting debut in the role of George in the original series Bunked. He has also starred as Danny in The Diary of a Future President. Alright? Si Nathan Arenas, September 30, 2005. TV actor Tony Hale. He is Buster Bluth on the series Arrested Development. He turns 56 today. TV actress Jenna Elfman. Alright, she played the role of Dharma Montgomery on Dharma and Greg. There you go. She turns 54 today. Tama ba? 54. September 30, 1971. Okay. Still beautiful at 54. Alright. And movie actress Marion Cotillard, Academy Award for Best Actress for her role as singer Edith Piaf in La Vie en Rose. Okay. She was also in Midnight in Paris, Contagion, Inception, Big Fish, and The Dark Knight Rises. Yun, The Dark Knight Rises. In Tagalog, yung Dark Knight, nagkakanin. Happy birthday also to Eric Stoltz, movie actor. And rock singer, legendary Frankie Lyman, best known for being the lead singer of The Teenagers back then. Tagal na, no? Tagal na. Yung song na Why Do Fools Fall in Love became a hit song. Okay, he's the singer behind it. He was born September 30, 1942. Ayan. Tagal na kasi yung song nila na mga 1960s pa yata yun eh. 50s or 60s. Ayan. He passed away at a young age back in 1968, just 25 years of age. Frankie Lyman. Okay, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you. September 30, last day of September, huh? Celebrants. Yeah, so happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You. Okay, your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me now, 0910-6909-501. Ayan. Meron din tayong Radyo Bandera hotline numbers, of course. And they are 0926-058-3917, 0916, or 0961, sorry, 526-7459. Pwede rin kayo mag-text dyan, ha? Kung gusto nyo sagutin yung question of the night. Ang ating question of the night, napakadali lang. Simpleng-simple lang. Ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay... Comment your answers below. Ganun lang. Ha? Okay? Ganun lang kadali. Alright? Basahin natin. Gusto nyo? Basahin natin? Oh, by the way, today's holidays and... No, not holidays and observances. The famous birthday segment was brought to you by Royal Super Savings Weekend. Royal Duty Free up to 30% off. Plus times 2 points with a minimum purchase of 5,000 pesos. This one runs from October 3 to 5. This coming Friday, Saturday, and Sunday na to, ha? Okay? So, when great deals and Royal Privilege Card points combine, it's a super savings weekend. So, catch these great offers at Royal Duty Free shops from October 3 to 5, 2025. All right? And of course, Royal Duty Free shops, hotline number 2523-258. Store number 1, Building 1109 Palm Street, Subic Bay, Freeport, or Manila Avenue. Store 2, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Visit their official Facebook page. Oh, by the way, also ongoing is the home sale. September 8 until October 5 na lang, ha? Alright? And along with it is the Home Life Raffle promo. 500 peso purchase entitles you to 1 e-raffle entry. Okay? Home sale up to 50% off on great finds. Okay? Visit Royal Duty Free shops today. And we got a couple of answers to the topic of the day. Basahin natin. Tsaka may mga nag-text din, ano? May mga sumagot sa ano natin. Salamat sa mga sumagot sa ating question of the night. Ayan, okay? Teka, sandali lang ha. Sasara ko lang tong I will close what needs to be closed. And babasahin natin yun, yung answers to the tonight's topic. Eto na. Ayan, sabi ni ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay si... Walang yaka, pare ko. Muntik ko nang masabi on air yung pangalan, yari. Pero maganda nga sabihin ko, no? Pwede ba mag-name drop? How I wish pwede, no? DJ Cyberbugs, hi. Happy listening sa'yo, ha? O, hindi siya yung sumagot, di ba? Happy listening sa'yo. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Yeah, ito pa, sabi niya, DJ Tommy G, ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay malamang magnanakaw din. Tama. That's a good answer. Ito, sabi nito, DJ Tommy G, obvious ba? Ang kakampi ng magnanakaw, malamang boss niya. What is it with with magnanakaws na kadalasan yung nasa taas, di ba? Pag magnanakaw, kunyari, marami kayong empleyado, most often yung pag merong magnanakaw sa mga empleyado, kadikit or kasundo nung nasa taas eh. Kadalasan, what is it with magnanakaws? Anong meron sa magnanakaw? Ba't kadalasan kakampi sila ng bossing? Hindi ko nilalahat ha. Hindi ko nilalahat pero... Okay, ayan. Salamat sa sagot. Ito pa, meron pa. Sabi niya, Hi, DJ Tommy G. Ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay si Satanas. Oh, si Paring Taning. Oh. Okay. Si Taning. Naalala ko tuloy naalala niyo yun, yung kinento ko dati. May si Taning, si Demon. Biglang nag-appear sa Biglang nag-appear sa isang gathering sa simbahan pa. Ha? Di syempre takbuhan lahat, natakot, di ba? Natakot. Nilapitan niya yung isang matanda. Na hindi natakot, walang reaction. Sabi ni Taning, sabi niya, ikaw, ba't nagtakbuhan sila lahat? Ikaw, ba't di ka tumakbo? Hindi ka ba natatakot sa akin? Sumagot yung matanda, very casual pala sagot eh. Walang katakot-takot. Sabi niya, kung yung kapatid mo nga, pinakasalan ko eh. Uy, shout out kay Kuya Saibin. Ayun. Hello Saibin. How you doing? Musta? Okay. Tinuruan ka na ba mag-drive ng motor ni papa mo? Sabihin mo, Papa. Hindi, wag I wanna learn how to drive motorcycle. Wag 'yon. Sabihin mo ganito, Papa, buy me my own motorcycle. Ito pa. Basahin pa natin yung mga sagot pa sa Ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay blank. Here's my answer, DJ Tommy G. Ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay kilala ko yan. Kasama ko sa trabaho yan, sabi. Dalawa silang kupitero. Ay. Sa tindahan ng boss namin. Sumbong mo kay boss. Kaya lang delikado lang minsan pag nagsusumbong ka ng ganyan. Ako naranasan ko sumbong ko sana yung namimitik. Naklang tinapay, kinampihan. Magkumpare pala eh. Ako pa yung pinarusahan. Ako pa yung nadali. Para bang, if you're gonna put words into it, parang, wag mo nga kakantihin si kumpare. Kumpare ko yan, yung I love you, pare. I love you, pare. Ganon, Kalay. Nakakaya. May katungkulan. Parang yun nangyayari sa ngayon sa Senate, di ba? Mga nasa taas, mahiya naman kayo, pinapasweldo namin kayo ng tax namin. Di ba? Tapos kung hindi man kayo nangungupit, leader kayo, kinukonsinti nyo, pinagtatakpan nyo yung nagnanakaw. Huwag ganun. Hindi ko naman sinasabing tama, kaya minsan tuloy naiintindihan ko ba't may mga namumundok eh, no? Yung mga namumundok, yung mga hindi na matiis yung yung nangyayari sa lipunan natin. Nagpapabay tuloy ng scooter si Simon. Saibin, sabihin mo, Papa, I changed my mind. Car na. Hindi na scooter, car na. Kailangan Ferrari o kaya Lamborghini ha. Hi sa inyong mag-ama ha. Mga pare. Pare! Ito si paring Cyberbugs ito, mabait na kumpare, matunay na tao, ganyan dapat ang mga kaibigan, no? 'Di ba? Hindi nang kukonsinti ng pagnanakaw, ng pananalbahe, pananarantado, hindi ganoon. Ganoon ang tunay na tao. Ang tunay na kaibigan, kung mali na yung ginagawa mo, sasabihin sa'yo. Hindi yung pagtatakpan ka pa, di ba? Ganun yun eh, di ba? Dati sumasayaw kami niyan. Kunyari, mali na yung step ko. Sinasabi niya. Pare, mali yung step mo, mali. Ganito. Ganito yung sa maneuvers eh. Gayahin natin yan. Ginagaya namin noon yung the maneuvers eh. Na sabi ng nanay ko, ano yan? Maniobra? Hindi naman siya mali. No, yung nanay ko, hindi naman siya mali. Tama naman. Maneuver sa Tagalog, maniobra. Okay. Oh, ito pa, may sagot pa sa... Oh, yun. Nagting! I-comment nyo na po ha, yung mga sagot nyo. Comment your answers below tonight. Oh, di ba? Okay. Lagay nyo na yung sagot nyo. Comment nyo. Ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay blank. Ito, sabi nito, DJ Tommy, ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay may porsyento. Siyempre, kakampi, may porsyento. Ito malupit na sagot. Oh. DJ Tommy, ang kakampi ng magnanakaw ay nasa Kongreso at Senado. Aroy, hindi ko naman nilalahat. Oh, narinig nyo na, ito, trademark ko to tag doon, copyright. Alam nyo ba, kung bakit yung mag-asawang Diskaya ang naging kasabwat of choice ng mga, wala ko sinasabi yung pangalan basta yung mga involved, yung mga congressman, yung mga senador, yung mga party list, yung mga undersecretary, secretary, mga nakapwesto. Basta, bakit sila Diskaya ang naging kasabwat of choice? Ganito kasi yan. Dati, nung una pa lang, di ba, nag-DPWH sila, di ba? So, may lumapit yung pasimuno, di ba? Nilapitan sila. May nakasulat na, may papel. Tapos sa papel may nakasulat, di ba? May choices. May nakalagay na 100 million, 200 million, ganito, tinatanong sila. Eto, tingnan nyo to. Yung ibibigay natin kay, yung dapat bigyan, yung kay kickback, kay kupit. May nakalagay na figure, di ba? Sabing ganun. Tinuro niya, kunyari, 100 million, tinuro niya. Tinuro niya yung 100 million, kung kaya daw ibigay, parang ganito. Sabi niya, this, kaya? Tinuro yung sumunod. Para kay senador, how about this? Tinuro yung 200 million. This, kaya? Kaya nyo ibigay? Narinig ng mga uy, this kaya. Ayun, sila na ngayon yung naging kasabot of choice. Ayos ba? Pasok sa banga, pasok. Oh, di ba? Okay, I'll be back with more of your answers. 8:31 in the morning. Ano ba? Morning! 8:31 in the evening. Huwag kayong aalis. Magbabalik ang mga batibot. We will be right back. Balikan natin yung mga sagot nyo, ha? Diyan lang kayo. Radyo Bandera,